Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up car thing in the Spotify app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu in the top left corner. Then we tap on settings and privacy. Then we scroll down and tap on apps and devices. Then we scroll down again, and here under the in the car title we find car thing. We tap on this, and then we will be able to set up the car thing here. We can tap on the button, and then we can tap on begin setup, and yeah, this is basically the car version of the app, which we can use when we are driving, and we have to use voice controls to skip the songs or play a certain song or whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.